Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change the color of the taskbar apps in Windows 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go ahead and go to the settings into your Windows and select the search bar over here and go for the settings or search for it. And now once you are here on the settings, you could just simply go for the personalization over here on the left side. And now you could just simply go for the colors over here. So now guys, from here, you will have here accent colors. So make sure it is on manual. And now from here, let's say I'm going to go for red. And when you go to the taskbar and it doesn't show up, you should be able to see here show accent color on start and taskbar. So guys, these settings is only available on Windows dark mode. So just simply scroll to the top a little bit and choose your mode as dark over here. And now from here, once it is dark guys, as you can see, it will now be available, and select this one over here and it will be red. And from there, you should be able to change the taskbar color. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching guys. See ya!